right, girl. What? Get down. Get down. Hi there, puppy. Are you wanting to go? Are you want to go? Okay, let me get my rollerblades on. Yeah. Daddy needs new rollerblades. If you make a really good video, maybe enough people watch it and I'll get new rollerblades. What? Oh, I know you want to go. Yeah, you want to go rollerblading. Okay. Hi there. Come down. Just a second. Just a second, girl. Just a second. All right. Let's go get your harness. All right. Yeah, you know where we go out. Come on. Stick your head through the harness. It's okay. It's okay. Nope. That's a good girl. I know. Okay. Let's show everybody how fast you can go. All right, there's no cars. Let's go! Come on! Yeehaw! Let's go, Chin! Slow down, girl. All right, go, girl. Come on, come on. Come on. You know how to go. You know what this hill means? Let's go! Come on! Yeehaw! Woohoo! Go, Jin! Go! Whoops! Nobody wants to see me. Yeehaw! Okay, slow it down. Take it easy. Oh, car. Come on. Saying hi to you. Come on. Are you gonna pull me up the hill? Okay, Ginny, go! Come on! Go! 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 That's right! Pull me right up this hill. Come on! Come on! Now we'll race down this hill. Come on. Let's go. Car. Slow it down. Oh, okay, they're turning early. Alright, open it up, Jinjin. Open it up. Come on, Polly. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Faster. Come on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. This is one way to wear you out a little. That's a good girl. Do you want to go around again? Do you want to go around again? Oh, you're done? Okay, so Daddy. Smile for the camera.